fire snake. Jinx.
Crap. We're gonna pour the sand halfway. Well, when it's almost full.
First sand, lighter fluid. I don't really know what else, because I forgot.
When it's about all the way,
Like half full.
like right here, Abby. Like right there. The lighter fluid that is called charcoal lighter
Fluid.
Yeah, but it doesn't say fluid.
Oh, sorry.
It says danger for children.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that so scared me. That scared me so bad.
It's gonna explode.
No, because we had to light it up.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to go away since it's gonna be fire, and fire is dangerous for kids.
Wait, do I put some in mine?
Yes, just pour it all over, and you can.
No, like some of that. Oh, wait, it's the same cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now smooth it out.
I can do it.
Yeah,
I just
all
like
over the
smoothing
bowl.
it. I just like it.
Wow, it looks like snakes coming out. It's still gonna.
Oh,
It has to spread.
it's rising up, and that's my favorite part.
So this is how you do a fire snake.
It kind of doesn't look like snake anymore. It's like burned snake.
Yeah.
Oh, it's rising, it's rising.
I mean, look at yours. Look at that gigantic snake. Fire snake.
It smells so good.
Watch this.
That's my challenge for today.
Look, there's tiny dots over there.
Subscribe and just smash that like button.
Ow!